In this video, we'll walk you through creating a Snapchat ad using the Advanced Create workflow within Ads Manager. The first step within the Advanced Create flow is to choose your advertising objective. With every campaign you run on Snapchat, your objective should align with your immediate business goal. For this video, we are going to select awareness as our objective, which is ideal for increasing recognition of your business among Snapchatters. After selecting our objective, we'll then set some campaign details. Here is where you'll name your campaign and choose your start and end dates and times, or decide to run your campaign indefinitely. Next, we will select our ad set details by naming our ad set. This is also where you can enable your Snap Pixel or Snap App ID tracking. Now we'll choose our budget and schedule details. Choose a daily budget and run your ad indefinitely, or choose a lifetime budget and set start and stop dates. Within placements, advertisers have control over where their ads appear on Snapchat with a variety of different placement options. You can edit these options, but we recommend using automatic placement. Your targeting options include locations, demographics, audiences, and devices. For audiences, you may choose multiple predefined audiences and/or custom audiences. Next, select the devices you'd like to target, including operating system, device makes, connection type, and carriers. Delivery is where you can enable goal-based bidding. Select your bidding strategy and set a frequency cap if available. Goal-based bidding allows you to optimize toward a specific action that a Snapchatter is most likely to take. When deciding on your bidding strategy, choose from max bid, target bid, or auto bid. We recommend using auto bid to spend your budget effectively and to see the cost per action you can achieve using Snapchat. Ad details is where you will begin building your ad by selecting your ad format. Fill out all details for your chosen ad format. Give your ad a name to be used when viewing performance metrics, among other uses. Choose whether to use and link to a public profile with the option to display a brand name instead of the public profile name. Then add a headline and choose if you'd like your ad to be shareable. When adding in your visuals, you can upload a media file from your computer, create a new image or video in Snap Publisher, or browse your creative library of visuals you've used before. If your ad has the option for an attachment, select attachment type, CTA, and other details, depending on the attachment. Next, apply a CTA, or call to action, which sets the action you want Snapchatters to take on your ad. Input your delivery options, including status, which is set to be active by default, and optional tags to track impressions and swipe-ups. You can generate tags by working with a third-party vendor, such as Google DoubleClick. Click the Review and Publish button to make sure everything looks good to go, and then click Publish Campaign. Awesome, and congrats on publishing your first Snapchat ad!